you're fired. This is the message that you might get anytime in your inbox, or maybe you don't even get this message. You might get a letter at your home, or you may not get anything, but at the end, you may be fired. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, January this year, 2025, I made a video in Instagram and also it's there in YouTube where I said that this year will be the year of massive layoffs. Massive layoffs. So we have got the news 14,000 employees from Amazon. I don't know much about the details. Either they will be fired or they've been fired or whatever it is. It's just another statistic. But we see layoffs going on in so many companies. All the time we keep seeing that layoffs are happening. You need to understand this is just the beginning. What you are seeing now is only the tip of the iceberg. It's not the end of this layoff. It is just the beginning. There will be layoffs happening to such an extent that is unprecedented. I'll tell you why it's happening. Well, there are many reasons. We could discuss, economic, politics, and so many other things. But one of the main reasons, like if you want to understand astrologically, one of the main reasons is Saturn will now enter the sign of Pisces. Now, of course, there are many reasons, but astrology is not like is not the cause. It just reflects. Okay. Now, what happens is when Saturn will enter Pisces, what happens? Pisces is a sign where you are laid off from this life, not just your job. All right. It's the sign of exit. And what is Saturn? Saturn is the Atma Karak for our Dashamsha chart, our D10 chart, which is the chart of our profession. So, therefore, the moment Saturn enters the sign of Pisces, you will see massive layoffs happening. Now, what should you do? Who will get laid off? Well, whoever is not performing well will be laid off. Whoever is not bringing results will be laid off. Whoever is not doing what has been told to do will be laid off. Okay. And whoever is not growing in their profession, they will also be laid off. Whoever is lazy and just dragging along will be laid off. Whoever is doing mischievous things, whoever is taking shortcuts will be laid off. Okay. Now, suppose and there are other things like AI and all this. Like they say AI will not take your job, but a person who knows how to use AI will take your job. But that's like the external manifestation. But internally, these are the people that I said they will be laid off. Now, why this is happening is because the world is gradually moving towards self-employment. So, for example, now you will see there are so many reports that the Gen Zs, Gen Z means depending on which nomenclature you use, those who are born on like the late 90s and now they are entering the workforce. Okay. Or they are about to do their masters or something like that. Millennials are from that 80s 90s generation. But the thing is, now the Gen Zs, they are not the ones who are at the managerial level. They said that we cannot employ the Gen Zs. Okay, the Gen Zs, they are not agreeing to work more, or they are a bit lazy, they are a bit laid back. They are they don't extend themselves. Okay, whatever. Now, this is what the senior management says. Gen Z is like unemployable. So then what will happen is, now the Gen Zs, they will not like to work under pressure. They will resign, they will leave the job. Okay, and this is not a video where I'm speaking against Gen Zs. I'm just telling what is the perception. Okay, now you may debate on it, if that is true, if that is not true, or Gen Zs will have their argument. They will say, oh, there is exploitation happening and we are not giving into it, which is also correct. That's also a perfectly valid argument. There's a lot of exploitation in India, especially in the workforce. So either ways, now what will happen is, either you like it or you not, either you are a Gen Z or you have Gen Z employees. What will happen is, now the Gen Zs, they will look for more and more independence. Why? Because Pisces is the sign of freedom. And now what is happening is, mostly the Gen Zs are entering the workforce because they are in their mid 20s. Okay, so they are the one who will actually be the driving engine, and the millennials, they are in, like, those mid senior level roles, like 30, 35, 38, around that age. Okay, now there will also be layoffs which will happen there, because now what is happening, the millennials who are in their mid 30s, they are entering a period where they are married, most of them are married, they have children now. Those who are in their 80s, born now, initial part of 80s, 81, 82, 83, maybe, if they are still called millennials, they will now enter a period where they will enter their 40s, or they might have already entered, and now they have to take care of their parents also. Okay, because of their age and all this. So it's like, imagine you have your health which is declining. Health starts declining steeply after 40s, and you have responsibilities of kids and your parents, and because of this, global madness which is going on, now, from the last 50 years, as you have seen, uh, government has done so much money printing, and especially during COVID there was massive money printing which almost every country did. So because of that, there is like sky high inflation, and there are so many other things. We can discuss about it some other time. But the important thing is that there will be layoffs. But the question is, okay, fine, there will be layoffs, what to do now? So please, 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 two hands, please understand that if you have a single job, you may be laid off at any time. So it is imperative you cultivate some secondary source of income. Now, when I say secondary source of income, I don't mean to say, like, you work 18 hours a day. No, that's not sustainable. But suppose you have a job and it's going fine. Then also, if there is no fear of getting laid off, even then, you have to do something in the weekends, or especially Friday evening and Saturday. Sunday you should keep free, you should do some spiritual practices, go to a spiritual community. I don't advise people to work on Sundays, it's not good. Not because it's a holiday as per English calendar, but because it is the day of the sun, which is like, the weeks, it's like the day from when the week starts. So therefore, this is the day when you should rejuvenate yourself, you should re-energize yourself, take the sun in the morning on every Sunday, go for a walk, or best is go to some spiritual community. But on Fridays and Saturdays, or at least one evening, try to do something, write, like, for example, try to write a book, publish it on Amazon. But most importantly, you should have a online presence in your social media. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, please open as soon as possible. I'm not telling you this because I have a YouTube channel and I'm promoting, but it is for your good. Then if you feel difficulty in making long videos, you can make YouTube shorts, or you can go for Instagram reels, or if you don't like to talk or show yourself, you can start with LinkedIn. Okay, depending on your domain and your expertise, you have to see which is good for you. If you can make, small short entertaining reels, then Instagram is great for you. I personally can't do it, so I rarely go to Instagram. I mean, I go, but I'm not like too much active, in publishing videos. I'm more active in YouTube because this platform suits me more. Okay, so now, social media presence. Number two, build your own website, please. You don't have to build it yourself, but you should have your own website. Try to buy the domain name. Like, for example, your name is, whatever, Ashish Mehta. So ashishmehta.com, try to have it. Okay. So, or whatever, it does not have to be your own name.com, but it can be anything. But it should be a website where, if people visit the website, they exactly know who you are. Now, when I say you should have your website, I don't mean you write, oh, I passed masters at this age, bachelor's at this age, I am from here, that. You can write some basic information about yourself, but the website should convey very strongly what you believe in, what are your skills, what are your talents, where is your expertise, where is your experience, how can you contribute to this world, who can you help. So if somebody is wanting to get help from you, they should be able to book a consultation from you or a mentorship program from you. Okay, that's very important, that that is something you have to do. And you can offer different things, like for example, since I am related to IT, you can uh, you can give mentorship to somebody, or you can write a book and you can publish in Amazon and also there, or you can make some software yourself. Or if you are an astrologer, or planning to become one, then you can offer consultation to people, okay, on their horoscopes. There are so many things you can do, so nonetheless, at the end of the day, you should start offering some services to people. Now, you may not get so much money from that you leave your job and you do that full time. No, I'm not saying that. But suppose you you do that, you initially start, then in 1 or 2 years you will get some good amount of income. So like for example, from your job, if you are earning 12 lakhs per annum, 1 lakh per month, then it is possible that in 1 year, if you are starting, then you can earn another 2 to 3 lakhs, okay, from your self-employed work, or from your book, or your YouTube or Instagram channel. Then that money you can invest it in the stock market, or you can buy gold, or you can save the money for 3 to 4 years. Then if you have like 15-20 lakhs on the side from that work alone, you can use it as a down payment for buying a house, okay, or buying a land. So either ways, you can get some alternate source of income from that. No, or I mean, you can do so many other things, like you can do Airbnb arbitrage, so many other things. You can see more about that in YouTube. But what I'm trying to tell you is, the moment Saturn enters Pisces, the layoffs will start like anything. And by the time Saturn crosses Pisces and goes to Aries, most of the people will lose their jobs. Most of the people, I mean, may not be 100%, but within every sector, large portion of people will be replaced, because AI will also come, and the need for so many people will not be there. Okay, so this will happen at a software level, like for IT, finance, and all this, and even for all the other external stuff, like mechanical, like construction and all this. Robots will come, delivery boy, delivery, this drones will come and deliver things, rather than some human coming and doing. Okay, so, and gradually there will be robots who will come and who will be able to do so many things parallelly. Okay, there will be robots who will be like your assistant. And nowadays, in AI, or using AI also, there are like AI employees and all these things which are coming out. Okay, so therefore, please learn to use some basic AI tools, like Chat GPT, or if you are yeah, depending on your domain and depending on your expertise and your interest. Okay, so you may have your job, you may not have your job, but suppose you do not have your job and you have financial responsibilities. You have your man, you have your wife, you have 1 or 2 kids, you have your parents. How will you take care of them? Okay, so now it is the time that you should build your online presence and your online portfolio, your online brand. Basically, that is something which you have to build. Okay, so therefore, the best way to start with this is to share anything that you are inspired by. No, to share anything that you like. So suppose you are a singer, you can start singing, and making videos. You can play with the whatever, guitar, or kartal, midangam, violin, or piano, or whatever, keyboard. So initially you can start like that. 3 to 6 months you can experience what kind of things people like, and then you can see how things are going on. Okay, and then you can monetize after 6 months. Like you can offer some mentorship program, or as I said, you can write books, or you can sell some courses, online courses, or whatever it is. That will depend on your chart and what you should do. But please do it. See, it's not important what you do, but it is imperative that you do something, because otherwise you may be laid off unexpectedly. And I have so many examples of people who like, can you imagine, who they're sitting at their home, and they got laid off. It's like or the company forces you to resign. Either ways, you are fired. Okay, so we know those stories of those employees from Google, especially Google, or what was that, some other company, but Google specifically, I heard like employees at night 12, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., they are seeing if they can log in. Okay, if the login is gone, then yes, they are fired. Okay, so therefore, please start working online and try to become a freelancer. I'm not saying full time, just try, just start something. If you start today in 2025, you will achieve something by end of this year, and you still have time, because Saturn will enter Pisces on 23rd March, and then it will go on. Okay, so therefore, it is imperative that you start. And remember, Saturn always rewards people who start. All right, so therefore, you will see massive layoffs which will come, and people will either the employers, the managers, they will not be able to tolerate somebody who does not work, because AI can replace them. So it's like, why should a manager keep you in the company if you cannot work for long? And if AI can replace that person, and for peanuts, and with a much better efficiency. Okay, and because if you are in a lower position, if you are an employee, or if you are in a junior level position, then most likely in the next 2 to 3 years, you will see, it will be impossible for you to find a job, because now what will happen is, all the junior level jobs in next 2 years, I'm telling you, in 2 years, the way the AI space is evolving, in 2 years, if you are doing some basic things like whatever, all this travel agency, or whatever, it's data entry jobs, or junior data scientist, junior data engineer, junior software engineer, all these things will be gone. Within the technical systems, APIs will come, and AI agents, they are coming like fire, like, it's bizarre what's happening. So I'm not trying to create fear, but this is legitimate fear. This is healthy fear you should have. Okay, so therefore, please do something online. All right, either you like it or you don't, but you have to do. Now it's not a choice, okay, anymore. It is an emergency, and if you don't do, you will be in trouble, my dear sir, my dear madam. So please take this video seriously. And using astrology, I'm telling you, Saturn will enter Pisces, and after 2028, Saturn will enter the sign of Aries, where you will see people will boast about becoming self-employed. And now the way they boast about getting a new job in LinkedIn, or getting a promotion, that time they'll boast, proudly left my job. All right, so thank you so much. Please take care. And if you want a personalized horoscope consultation from me, you will find the website down in the description section. God is there with you all the time. Just look to him and you will find him. Jai Sri Ram. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to hit the like and share this with somebody who is too happy or too complacent in their job. All right, please take care. Jai Sri Ram.